So in tech, how often am I really leaning on it? Am I using it for one-off tasks, or is it integrated with my stack? So it is integrated with my stack, and I don't use it for one-off tasks. And I've already explained it how we don't use Google and Stack Overflow that much these days. And having a Copilot either integrated with your VS Code or at least a chat available which you can get inputs from is a given now, and any company which is not using that is not using tools to its optimum and setting themselves up for failure is what I feel. Now, AI and coding, an integration of AI with coding has two different aspects. One is you have to write production ready code in which you are responsible for every single line of code that you write. With my professional work, I've been mostly using uh, like things like Copilot, which generate things, and you have a very close eye, because with tools like Cursor and AI, you give a prompt and then they generate hundreds of lines of code, which sometimes is overwhelming, and you have to, if you have to really keep a tight leash at what it is generating, you probably have to work with it in a different way. But in case of like Copilots and things, you have very strong control over what is coming out, and you have accountability for every single line that it generates, and you have to go through it and you have to understand it, and most of the time you have to ask your Copilot to do things differently or suggest it or point out mistakes and which you are still doing. So that has been two different domains of experience with generative AI when it comes to coding, and these has been my experiences with both the aspects.